Hello children, in this video we will study about topographical maps. A topographical map shows the surface of the earth in detail. You can see here one map I am showing you. A topographical map are drawn on a number of sheets where each sheet depicts the details of only one particular part of the whole area. These sheets are joined to give a complete picture of the entire area. You can see here different numbers are given there and many minute, you can see the very detailed information are given there. You can see here the post office, Dak Bangla, causeway, so the metal road, so many informations are given there, but the area is very less. Okay, according to ICSE board we are studying two maps, that is G43S7, G43S8. In G43S7 we are talking about the Banaskantha. This Banaskantha is a part of Gujarat. Okay, earlier this map was known as a 45D7, and the second topographical map, that is G43S10, and earlier it was known as a 45D10. Only this number is changed. See, you can see. And in G43S10 we will talking about Sirohi. This Sirohi is a part of a Rajasthan. Okay, scale of this map is, both the maps, 1:50,000, 1:50,000. In this video, we will talking about the important topics relating to topography. I had written some important topics. You can see here the scale of the map, 4-figure grid reference, meaning of the conventional sign, direction from the one place to the other place, distance between two places, mode of transport, drainage pattern, color significance. Different colors we are using on the topographical map, so we will talk about the different color, different occupation people prefer, irrigation mode, climate of the region, contours, area of the map. So these are some important topics that we have to discuss in this topographical map. Okay, actually we were talking about, or we will discuss about, through this we will get the information. Okay, so one by one we will talk about these important topic. So in this video I'll teach you first point, that is scale of the map. See, scale of the map. The scale of a map denotes the proportion that the distance between any 2 points on a map bears to the distance between the same 2 points on the surface of the earth. Actually, there are three main methods of representing the scale of the map. See here, the first method is a statement. Now see what this statement method. In this method, the scale is expressed in two words, or we make a statement about it. For example, 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer, 1 inch to 5 mile. The value of the left hand side usually represent the map distance. So what it will represent? Map distance. Second is linear or graphic scale. In this method, the scale is represented by a straight line dividing into equal two parts. You can see here, the picture is given there. It is divided into two parts, primary division, secondary division. And that divisions are to show what these marking represent on their actual ground. See, you can see here the linear scale 1:1 lakh is given there. You can see here the different parts are given there, 5, 10, 15s are there. So they are showing us the actual represent on the actual ground. The primary divisions are the major divisions on the scale, graduated from the left to right. The secondary divisions are the smaller unit, graduated from the right to left. You can see right to left. See the number 0, 1, 2, 3 numbers are given there. Okay. See, the total length of the linear scale represent a distance of a 25 kilometer. Each primary divisions denotes a distance of a 5 kilometer. See, they are denoting a 5 kilometer. Okay. Now see, the third method is representative fraction. Now see, what is this representative fraction? Actually, this means RF factor. Actually, we are very much familiar the name with the RF factor. Now see, what is this RF fraction? This is a distance on the map upon distance on the ground. Okay, but the same unit we have to adopt here. See, I had written here the formula RF, that is a distance on the map and distance on the ground. Now see, my dear student, all these maps are, these blocks are, that I am showing you, these blocks are, see, these blocks are of a 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter on the map. Okay, so this 2 centimeter, see here the one red line is there, here also the one red line, here actually this is of a 2 centimeter. So what we are taking here, 2 centimeter on the map, distance on the map 2 centimeter. Okay, and that denotes the 1 kilometer on the ground. See, we can see here, so see, 2 centimeter upon 1 kilometer. Now what we have to do, we have to do the same unit. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. 1000 meter means, now 1 kilo, for changing the kilometer into the meter, 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, and 1000 meter now we have to change into centimeter, so we have to divide 100, multiply with 100. So 1000 into 100, that is a 1 lakh. So now see, this 2 centimeter, 2 upon here 1 lakh is given there. Now we will divide, 2 ones are 2, here 2 fives are 10, that means 50,000. So our result is 1 upon 50,000. So what is the RF factor? 1 is to 50,000. That means 1 centimeter on the map, it denotes the 50,000 centimeter on ground. It is 50,000 centimeter on ground. So what we can say, 1 unit on the ground represent 50,000 unit on the map. That means we have to take same units. Okay, so my dear student, I hope this point is clear to everyone. That is scale of map. Okay, so in my next video we will talk about 4-figure grid reference. Till that, have a good day. God bless you.